Hello everyone, just a quick midweek special. It's just a short one. We decided, because it's lovely weather, we're going to do a quick weekend dash away in the caravan. But what I'm doing it solo. I'm taking the caravan and car, obviously, because you need a car to tow a caravan, and I'm just going to take it to the site, and the others are coming down after they've finished work and school and everything. So wish me luck. I've never done it on my own before. I always have a problem with these. Sometimes it feels like it's unlocked and it isn't, and sometimes it is. That's it. I've discovered the hardest part about getting it ready on your own is trying to film at the same time. Right, that's the mirrors on. I'm actually really hot and sweaty doing this on my own. I don't know if anyone's noticed. I'm surprised the Caravan people haven't noticed. I think when I first put these on, I put them on upside down. I think they're supposed to be on the other side, but I've got it in such a perfect position. I'm not adjusting it. You might recall on another video, the previous video, we were having problems with the pump and they were going to do some stuff with the battery stuff. Well, it's been in and I've looked at it and they say they've sorted the battery connections. That's good. And the dealers have also said there's a fault with the pump, which is exactly as we suspected. So they're waiting for a part to come in from Bailey or Prima or wherever it comes from. And as soon as that comes in, they're going to fit it. So hopefully we'll get that sorted soon. But we just had a weekend of still a noisy pump, unfortunately. Corner steadies are up. It's times like these I wish I'd given to common wisdom and got a drill to do it. Right, all hitched up. Oh, I just sound out of breath. It's so hot today. Mirrors on. All the gubbins connected. Motor mover disengaged. Corner steadies up. Just got to check the lights. Now, on a previous video that we did with Little Hit Ho, which I'll link you to, we did some clever camera work where she checked her own lights, but I'm not going to show how I'm going to do it myself. But I'll see what I can do. Everything seems secure in there, so let's get ready. Right, let's get moving. Wish me luck. If you don't hear from me again, well, I've done something wrong. And here we are, I made it. First ever solo tour. Good practice. I want to go away in a couple of weeks to Tour Fest as well, because I'll be going on my own first of all, and they'll be following me along later due to holidays and working and stuff. But yeah, I did it. I don't think it was any more nerve-wracking than it is when you're towing with someone in the car. Yeah, good stuff. Well, we're at a site now. Probably come in an upcoming vlog. Watch this space. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.